guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha and I'm your big sis. Today I'm going to teach you the simplest prom makeup ever that's gonna make you look ravishing. So yeah, and I have used all the drugstore products, so if you want to learn it, then stay with me till the end and let's get started. Now the eye makeup. So the eye makeup is going to be like very simple. First we are going to take this like lightest shade in the crease. We can actually take a terracotta shade as well, which I've used in my last video, MAC dark red or deep red, I forgot the name. Let me show you the swatch of it over here on my thumb. It's like barely anything. Okay, on my brown skin it's not even. Oh my goodness, I'll show you here probably. Here too. Take this shade, LV crease shade, right? Because my eyes are like already brown, so I don't have to use much. If you have lighter skin tone, then you can intensify it as per your liking, and you can also use the terracotta shade. Okay, and I'm now going to use the shimmery blue shade because my dress has blue in it. If your dress has pink or brown in it, then you can use the shimmery shade that matches your dress. There's shimmery sky blue silver shade in it. And because it's an easy makeup for beginners, for teenagers, so I want to make it as easy as possible. But if you want to make it more easier, then I have this thing. Don't fall. Okay, so I'll show you that if you can get your hands on something like this, like a pigment like so, then you can just use this, and you don't have to use the brown shade that I have done before. You can just use this in very light quantity with your fingers. Okay, and nothing can be more easier than that. You can see the difference between these two shades. It's much more like shiny, very pigmented, much more like a glitter. It has pigments in it, but it's not glitter. Over here it's much more like an eye shade. It's melting more into the skin, and that's why I have to use the brown crease shade so that this one can pop more. This one is basically from a brand called Luscious Cosmetics, and I had it since I started my channel, like since Stone Age literally. And now it's discontinued, but I still use it. Shh, my precious. So you should in fact use your fingers and just dot 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 in the middle part of your eye, and then with other pinky finger do this to blend it. Okay, you don't need to like dirty any brush either. It looks so good in person. I don't know how it's like coming or looking on the camera. I've already done the eye shades, like different kinds of eye shades that you can wear. I mean, I've done the video of it. You can just check it out in the description and over here as well. So I like put it. Now you can see how gorgeous it's looking. Okay, and if you're like a bit worried, like, oh, it's not looking nice and like totally blended, then use this fluffy brush and blend it. Okay, don't worry about the fallouts. Once I'm going to remove the hydrogen patches, they will go on their own. That's the benefit of using these two-in-one. Just take this fluffy brush and do the under eye a little bit. Don't use any excess product. Don't use any excess product. Okay, I just want to give a uniformity to the eye. If you have pale skin, you can use the same eye shade that I've used on the crease underneath this. Okay, but I don't need it because thanks to my brown skin, sometimes it pays off. And now it looks so freaking angelic, so freaking natural. If you want, then you can actually use a dark blue eyeliner, like the tip only, but I don't want to do it like this way because yeah, we are actually aiming for a natural soft firm look. So yeah, let's keep it this way. And now I'm going to use the strobe cream on the high points of my face to give myself a glowy look. And you're supposed to use it under your foundation, okay? Yeah. Now before using my foundation, I'm going to do my lips, like kinda. Now I'm going to use this Dilly Dolly blush on top of it, and you can just see how gorgeous it is. And you can see as well that how it's complementing this blush, my minimal eye shade. And over here again, if you want to use an eyeliner, you can stamp a darker blue eye shade as an eyeliner because I have blue in my dress. So yeah, if you have black or brown dress or pink dress, just use your common sense, okay? Use the eyeliner that complements the eye shade. I have corrected my under eyes, so I'm going to use a concealer on this cheekbone, okay, like so. Here, and now blend very gently because we have a foundation over there. We don't want much. Just take it like that. Yeah, it does not give you a darker foundation, so we don't want the under eye to look dark. We have been crying for days. You want to flat on the eye. Yeah, now you can just see the difference. I hope that the cameras can show this better. And I'm going to take this compact powder and then just set those places where I use it very lightly. Won't take much amount. And now I'm going to use this pinkish Barbie pink lipstick from Ingrid Cosmetics. A really beautiful lipstick. And a question might be popping up in your mind that Aisha, a lipstick? We thought the lips were done after you use the lip stain and that hydrogel pat trick. No, because it's prom and your lipstick is gonna like fade quickly. So if you use a lip stain underneath, then it's gonna last longer. So yeah, this is the trick. But if you really want to skip it and really want to keep it natural and minimal, you can just skip the lipstick. And because I can't resist it, and of course I have to show you guys that how this darker eyeliner works. Let me show you. Let's do it on this eye as well. So we'll take a darker blue eye shade and just make a very, very small rim, okay? Wow, it looks so beautiful. This, I think it's much more visible. Mm-hmm. Mercy powder under the eye because that is looking a bit darker, but just little. Okay, don't use much, otherwise you're gonna make this area gray. And I'll just drag this part a little bit to this inside, and you can just see how gorgeous it's looking. So you can actually do it, or you can just skip it. It's up to you. And now let's do the mascara. We're going to do the double coat of mascara. But if you are using lashes, then you don't need it. But because this makeup is actually for beginners, then I'm going to use no lashes. And also because I don't like to use lashes, I'm scared of this. The use of lashes. Yeah, lower lash line as well. This part. I'm going to like change and like show you finally. So you can just see that the lipstick has like lightened a lot. When you're gonna drink and eat, it's gonna lighten more. So that's why lip stain is very important for important events. So that means you're gonna eat and drink, even then you are relaxed. Okay, it's not gonna fade that much. But yeah, for safe side, always keep a lipstick in your bag and a compact. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, don't forget to press thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. Go to my website eyeshowbox.com to know it all, like all the products that I've used and the alternates. And of course, you can purchase from there and from the description box down below. And until we meet again, take care of you guys. Ciao! Don't! If my cat's about to jump on me. Don't know why this dress looks different everywhere, because it's a scarf I've tied it at the top to complement the makeup. So much for the makeup. But I learned how to do it. But there's no back actually. Just the front part, the back is like